So what's going on, everyone? Adam Neely with Build, Guild, and Refine TV, coming back at you with another episode. So today, I just decided to replace one of my long-term but infrequently used tools. It's something that I don't use every day. I don't even use it every week. But now that I have some more time to be getting into building more furniture, it is something I will be using more often again. But this tool was given to me by my stepfather a few years before he passed away. So it is sentimental to me, and when I use it, I always think of him. And that is my corded Ryobi 1.5 horsepower router. It's not something that I use very frequently, but now that I've got more time, I've been pulling it out more lately, and I was getting ready to use it today, and I pulled it out and I was thought to myself, wow, it's kind of cumbersome. Wow, it's corded. Oh, wow, it's big and bulky, and oh, my joints hurt from working so much. Wow. You know. So I decided that while I'm already on the Milwaukee platform once again, check out this video, you'll see why I came back to Milwaukee. I decided that I may as well just go with the compact. This nice little tiny little jobber. I'm pretty stoked about this because you've got variable speed. You can hook up any one of the wonderful M18 batteries. I've got a 5 amp on here right now, but I'll probably put a 2 amp on here and make it nice and light. You've got this pretty well designed vacuum chute. It collects a large portion of the dust, but not all of it. 'Cause it kind of has this little section that floats up top there. But it's not bad. You've got the quick release here. Just pop that thing in and out, or vice versa, out and in. You've got 2 LED lights on here. Let's see if we can catch that. 2 LED lights in the... Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, there you go. They're nice. The on and off switch is conveniently located. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, it's a compact router, and in this class of compact routers, they're all pretty nice. The Makita's nice, the DeWalt is nice. But again, now that I'm back on the M18 platform and I've got tons of batteries, I decided to really kind of just invest into the whole system. And I've used this thing a few times now, and I'm really happy with it. I'm excited to use it more frequently, and it's going to be easier for me to take in and out. And I know we're like so spoiled with all this cordless stuff, but when you pull out a heavy router like this, and you take the cord and you start trying to finagle it around your leg, you're trying to get around the whole table and whatever you're working on, and it's 2-handers, and you're like, oh, well, it's got a place in my life. Not really, but it will. It's kind of hard to justify using a new router. I don't like this router because it's corded, or I don't like this router because it's heavy, so I'm going to get a new router that's more expensive. But I did, so I guess I justified it. Oh, I got a bit on there, so it's not going to sit flat that way. There we go. So, I've got some time now to get back to the homeschool table. Oh, if you're just catching up, my wife and I have 6 kids. This year, because of all the craziness, and oh my gosh, last night was the presidential debate. I'm not going to say a word about it because I actually don't think I have to. Okay, so let's move past that. So we have 6 kids. 5 of which are in some type of schooling. Our last one in school is in just a preschool program, but we're excited to do this at home. My wife and I have really been struggling with some of the things going on in schools right now, and we decided to just take life by the reins, if you will, and manage this ourselves. And God bless my wife. She is an amazing woman, and she will be doing the majority of the work at home, while my older kids will get to come to work with me throughout the week, which I love. I love having them with me. So what I'm doing now is, behind me, I'm building their sit-stand homeschool table. We decided to make it a sit-stand table so that they can actually stand, counter height and do their work, so they're not just sitting in a chair all day, or they can sit in a stool and do their work. So I've got some time to work on the homeschool table. I just got done gluing up all the panels. I put on the oak border, and now it's time to route the edges. So let's test out this router. Now in the box, the router comes with a small base plate, a large base plate, 2 wrenches, an 11/16 and a 7/16 for the collars, and a straight edge guide. And it comes with the vacuum dust collector. I mean, this thing only weighs 3 pounds. It's got 6 variable speeds, and I think it is just really nicely balanced and easy to use. Now, I'm no routing expert. I don't have years of routing behind me. I've only used my router for a few years, and I haven't used it a whole lot, as you can see. So I'm excited to get into more opportunities to use the router as I'm building more pieces of furniture like this. So this doesn't need to be a long video because it's a router, and it's a good router, and I really enjoy using it. And I'm not a routing expert, so I'm not going to go into all the specifications of why it's a good router. It's a good router, and it feels good in the hand, and it's a good weight, and it does the job very well. So I like it. So it's a good router. So that's about it for now. I want you all to be safe, be happy, and thanks for watching.